guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys a long overdue tutorial on another hairstyle that I will be doing over my locks. Today we're just going to be doing some basic invisible locks over my locks, but I wanted to make them like really bohemian and I wanted to use human hair this time. Yeah, I thought I'd just show you guys how to do the hairstyle so you guys can have something to do with your lock. And yeah, but this is what you guys will need. This is my first time using this bohemian hair. I usually use the free tress deep wave, I believe, or water wave, I forgot, but I usually use the free tress synthetic hair, but today I really wanted to use like a curlier hair. We're gonna see. I think it's gonna look good. Like my goal is to use like a good bunch of it so it just looks really full. So I'm using the Q Milky Way hair, and then I'll be using the Cuban twist hair. You only need however many inches you want, however long your hair is going to be. This is 24, but I usually get 16 for shoulder length. This is just what I have in my storage right now for my clients. And then you need your comb, your clips. I have my mirror this time, and for my product I will be using the Neat Braid Conditioning Shine Gel. As y'all know, this is my go-to now. And you'll need rubber bands. Yeah, make sure you have rubber bands, clips, and the hair. So that's what you need for the hairstyle. Now let's just get started. My hair, one of y'all looks a mess right now. Get started with this because babes.
Okay y'all, so starting off, I'm going to be separating that first row off in the back and putting the rest up. And why is it one of my locks in the back literally break in half? But we're going to ignore that and not talk about it. So anyways, yeah, I'm just sectioning that back row off, and I have my hand mirror which ended up breaking halfway through. But for right now, I have my hand mirror and I'm using it to look at my parting and everything. So I start off by just applying some product onto my lock, and then I honestly just like part around it. It's kind of too much to try to like part the row in a straight line because like I am doing my own hair. So I start by just like parting around that lock. And like I said, I really recommend that you guys watch my previous videos because I go more into detail when it comes to knowing which way to turn your lock and which way to retwist it. I feel like if you don't know your lock pattern and which way you need to retwist it and stuff like that, please go watch my previous videos. But I start off by just giving myself a regular retwist, and I twist it in the direction in which I started my locks, which it was to the right. So I start off by twisting it to the right, that strand that is to the right, and I twist it over to the strand that is to the left. Like I said, this is all dependent on how you started your locks. If you twisted your locks to the left, then you take the left strand and you put that over the right strand. But like I said, go watch my previous videos, y'all. But I start off by twisting my hair down. You could twist it like 1 to 3 times down. I start off by twisting it down, and the hair that we are using, they come with like individual strands. So I split those strands in half, and then I have some whole strands as well. And I take the strand that I split in half, the thinner strand, and that's the first strand that I add in when I twist down my hair. So I start off by retwisting my hair down just a little bit, and then I add in that first strand, which is the thinner strand. And then I take that bohemian piece and I take the shorter side and add it in, and then I put the longer side away so that it's not in the way when I'm retwisting it down. But from here, I retwist my hair down until I feel like it starts to thin out and it needs to be more consistent, and then that's when I add that whole strand into the twist and I start twisting it down. And then I twist it down, and as y'all can see, I'm trying to figure out how to like I'm trying to make sure that it's matching the length of my hair, and then that's when you create the little beehive. This part is kind of hard to explain, but that's why you guys just kind of have to like watch and see how I do it. But I take it and then I really like wrap it around to the left, so like you guys will be able to tell when you start twisting it around. But I take it and I twist it around and I secure it with the rubber band, and then I cut that excess hair off. And then I take that curly piece that I had added in and I just take it down and then trim any like excess hair that I don't want in the way. So that is how you do it. Like I said, for more in-depth on your like parting and your exactly how you need to be twisting it, please go watch my previous videos. But I'm going to be showing you guys again how you can do this, and you guys can just sit here and like watch, and if you're more of a visual learner and you don't want to hear me talk. So Yeah, y'all.
Right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair, and your soft skin, and your...
Hey guys, so I just finished my hair and it actually came out exactly what I was like with the vision. I'm sorry y'all, it's like 2 in the morning. It actually came out exactly how I wanted it. I wanted it to be really full. I wanted to just put it up in a cute style. I put, you know, a little bow in the back, be a little half down, half up action. So this is the finished product. It took about 4.5 hours. Yeah, I definitely do like the human hair. So definitely will be my go-to from now on. Yeah, this is the finished product. I just really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what other styles or what else you guys would like to see, any specific tutorials you guys would like to see, and go watch my previous videos and my previous tutorials on other hairstyles if you haven't already. But other than that, I appreciate you guys for watching and I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please like, comment, and share, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark